Hello! Good morning everyone! Guten Morgen from Germany. So guys, gusto kong share sa inyo. I woke up early this morning because today is Sunday actually. I have to work 10 until 6 hours. So ngayon, breakfast tayo guys. Kumakain ako ng breakfast, German food I mean. At binili kong ensamada sa airport, Clark. Masarap naman siya, first time. Tapos, paborito kong black tea with milk. At warm juice. Ginawa ko, lagay ko rito kasi gusto kong malagyan ng medyo warm kasi parang malamig na naman yung panahon. Simple lang guys, peanut butter, tapos butter. Yun lang aking breakfast dito. Wala si asawa. So, pag ako lang, simple lang. Pag si asawa,